In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a playable game right on a page of your site using the built-in embed feature. You'll need a Google account and edit access to the site you want to update. Start by heading to Google Sites in your browser. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Once the site's homepage loads, look for the section that shows what you've been working on lately. Click Recent Sites to quickly find the site you want to edit. This view is helpful because it surfaces your most active projects without you having to dig through folders. Open the site where you want the game to appear by clicking on it. The site will open in the editor so you can make changes. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a panel with options for adding content. Click Insert. This is the main toolbox where you add text, images, layouts, and external content. Within the Insert panel, select Embed. Embed is what lets you bring in content that lives on another website, such as interactive games, by pointing to a link or pasting an embed snippet. Now paste the link to your game into the URL field. A few tips here make a big difference. Use a direct game page link that's designed to be embedded, and make sure it's an HTTPS link. Some sites don't allow embedding for security or licensing reasons, which means the preview won't load. If you see a working preview, you're good to go. If the preview doesn't show, the site is likely blocking embeds and you'll need a different source for that game. Always check that you have the right to share the game and that it complies with your organization's policies. When your link looks good, click Insert. Google Sites will place the embedded game onto your page. You'll see it appear as a content block, and the editor may show a static preview while you're editing. That's normal. If the source supports embedding, it will load interactively when the page is viewed. A couple of practical notes as you wrap up. Keep page performance in mind. Games can be resource intensive, so it's smart to add just what you need on a given page. Consider adding a short text caption near the game that explains what it is or provides basic instructions, which helps with clarity and accessibility. That's it. Go to Google Sites, open your recent site, use Insert, choose Embed, paste the game link, and insert. You've just added an interactive game to your Google site the right way.